Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture Gayton McKenzie has announced 16 fans who have won an all-expense paid to the 2026 FIFA World Cup in the Americas. The winners, one from each participating PSL club, will head to the World Cup for Bafana Bafana's opener against Mexico, with Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns having secured 2 spots each, and Polokwane City and Sekhukhune United not having a winner. Gayton McKenzie stressed the fairness in the random selection from thousands of videos entries showing club pride and fully sponsored private partners to avoid taxpayers paying costs like 800,000 that was spent on super fan Mama Joy previously. So this one has been sponsored by private partners, not the taxpayers' money. So it is from the sponsors who are working with the Sports, Arts and Culture Department. So here are the winners that Minister Gayton McKenzie has announced. Orlando Pirates, it's Bonakale Hlengiwe Nzuza. TS Galaxy, it's Sivi Thusi. Kaizer Chiefs, Adam Mtombeni. Siwelele, Konelo John Tahlo. AmaZulu, Ndumiso Zondi. Stellenbosch FC, Ernest Jacobs. Magesi FC, Hlekolani Kobe. Golden Arrows, Happiness Dumakude. Kaizer Chiefs, Vinicius Motswi. Mamelodi Sundowns, Obakeng Mohara. Mamelodi Sundowns again, Mamello Constance Maka. Orbit College, Adam Skolsberg. Durban City, Tavern Pillay. Richards Bay, Salman Khan. And Marumo Gallants, Tshegofatso Sello. So, out of all the names that have been named, there are people who are saying that they are happy that Mama Joy is not going there, whatnot. And here is what Minister Gayton McKenzie said regarding Mama Joy. He says, I have nothing against Mama Joy. We have met, even joke on social media. But the last trip cost 800,000 rands for business class flights, 5-star hotels, money that could have sent many fans, not just one person. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Minister Gayton McKenzie saying that regarding Mama Joy? Do you think that Mama Joy is really not going to the FIFA World Cup through the Department of Sports and Arts and Culture? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. And you know, when there's announcements like this, there will always be people who are questioning the criteria of people who are called. Like people who are saying that where are Polokwane City and Sekhukhune supporters, given that Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs, they have 2 supporters each, meaning that they took the spots of Polokwane City and also Sekhukhune fans. And people are saying that there's one man who attends all PSL games who is Botha using his own money. Why didn't the minister pick him? Because people, they believe that he is a #1 fan of South African football. So what do you think of Botha not being included on the plane? Do you think that he really deserved to go? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.